Want your brand to look instantly more professional without spending more time or money? In today's video, I'll show you why DTF neck tags are the easiest way to upgrade your clothing brand, and how to design them, print them, and apply them the right way. DTF neck tags are custom-printed labels applied inside the collar of your shirts. Instead of using itchy fabric tags that customers cut off anyway, you get a clean printed logo, the size care instructions, country of origin, and any branding elements you want. They look clean, feel comfortable, last for dozens of washes, and instantly make your shirts look like a premium product. Small details build big brands. When a customer opens your package and sees a clean, custom neck tag, it gives your product a professional retail look. DTF neck tags help you build brand identity, avoid itchy stitched labels, improve customer experience, make your shirts look like real merchandise, keep manufacturing simple and consistent. When you're designing neck tags, the most important thing is clarity. Here's what to keep in mind. Size. 2 to 3 inches wide is ideal. Font weight. Avoid thin fonts, they may not transfer well. Font size. Minimum 6-7 pt for readability. Logo. Keep it simple and high contrast. Colors. White or black usually look best. Legal info. Add fiber content. Plus country of origin if required. And if possible, always design in vector format for sharper details. The smartest way to print neck tags is using a gang sheet. You can place dozens, even hundreds, on a single sheet, sort them by sizes, or add variations for different products. Just upload your file, choose the length you want, and the sheet arrives ready to cut. Applying neck tags is simple. Pre-press the shirt for 2 to 3 seconds to remove moisture. Place the neck tag in the correct position, usually 1 inch below the collar seam. Press with the recommended temperature and pressure. Peel hot or cold, depending on your transfer type. Always do a second press with parchment or Teflon to soften the finish and increase durability. With the right file and the right press, the result is clean, sharp, and extremely professional. Avoid these mistakes if you want perfect neck tags. Placing them too close to the collar, using very thin fonts that don't transfer well, not cleaning leftover pixels around the logo, applying too much pressure and distorting the design. Forgetting the second press. Designing tags too large, they should never feel heavy on the inside. When you want your brand to look polished, consistent, and truly professional, DTF neck tags make a huge difference. They're affordable, easy to apply, and elevate your product instantly. So if you're ready to take your clothing brand to the next level, start with the details. Upload your neck tag design and we'll print it for you. You create, we print. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more DTF tips.